Welcome to BNC Gardening Experiments, Homestead, and Baking.
We're here tonight with Mr. Brian. We're going to do a little easy sugar cookie recipe. We have all our ingredients already set out. Our butter has been sitting out, it's real softened. We have our sugar here. We have our 1 egg. We have our teaspoon of baking powder, soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 3/4 cups of flour. And we're gonna go from there with this little simple, easy sugar recipe. And we're gonna begin. We're gonna put all our butter into our bowl here. Gonna turn our mix on. Get that beat real good. We're gonna add 1½ cup of sugar. White sugar. Very easy. Let that beat. Push it down in our pan here a minute. Let that mix again for a few minutes. Look good.
How long do you think this will take?
15 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna add this 1 egg. Got 1 egg. We'll add it to this butter and sugar. Cream it. Like I said, it's very easy, not hard to make. Stop our mixer again. We'll put all our ingredient batter down in our pan, bowl. Get all that mixed up again.
Fluffy already.
While that's mixing, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla flavor to that. Teaspoon of vanilla flavor.
I like the way you have everything set out. I like that.
All right. I'll stop it one more time. Put it all back down in our bowl, let it all mix up again together. Okay, we're gonna stop it. We're gonna add our 2 and 3/4 cups of flour to this. Pour it all at one time. We'll add our teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just help it to rise. Okay, we're gonna turn our mixer back on. We're gonna put it on slow right now. Because you don't want it to go too fast. It'll get all over you everywhere if you put it wide open. Put it on slow. And with these good KitchenAid mixers is good for they mix up with what needs to be mixed. We're gonna turn it up. And y'all see how that's gonna come together. Y'all, that's coming together. This is just about done. That's it. And we're gonna stop it. We're gonna take our splash and push it all back down in here again. We done with the mixing, with the mixer here. We're gonna do the rest with the spoon.
Can you repeat that recipe again?
This is an easy sugar recipe. It calls for 1 cup of butter. That's 2 sticks of butter. Calls for 1.5 cups of sugar. Calls for 1 egg. It calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. 2 cups of flour, 2 3/4 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And this should make about, I'll say 24 little sugar cookies. We're gonna preheat our oven to 325. Turn it on 325, preheat our oven. And we're gonna use a cookie sheet.
Put some parchment paper.
You're gonna use a cookie sheet. Where's the parchment paper?
No, that's can we use that one?
I just spray the pan and put them on.
Use aluminum foil, can't you? Okay, but
Just spray the pan and put them on.
that's the only one. Okay, well hey, we keeping it real
We're
here.
gonna spray this pan good.
We keeping it real, and it's the best pan in the house.
May not look the best, but it's a good pan. We're gonna spray this pan down good.
Ain't no fake here.
I'm gonna get back over here to this ingredients. Y'all, all that's looking, cookie dough. You want to make sure you got all your other ingredients mixed up in there. I'm leaning on your ingredients not mixed in there. Everything mixed in there. Next, we're gonna take a little scoop, like a little ice cream scoop or cookie thing. We're gonna put each cookie on here like this. You can get about 4 on here on the roll, however you want to put them. You got to put much in there. Just fill it up.
And how many again you say that should make?
Should make about 24. Yeah, a little more. We're gonna take a fork. You don't have to do this. We're gonna take a fork and we're just gonna flatten them out. It's something my mother used to do when we was children coming up. You don't have to do this. You can just let them stay flat, and they will flatten out themselves. But I just do this as a customer, how I saw it done when I was a child coming up. There's 16 cookies there on this one. All the ovens hadn't went off yet. But it's very easy to make. We're gonna stick these on in the oven. We're gonna let them cook about 8 to 10 minutes till they golden brown. Okay, we are back. I think they're about ready to come out the oven. That's how they look when they're good done. You're gonna let them cool a few seconds. You're gonna put them in a little bowl or something other. That's an easy sugar recipe cookie you can use as cooking, sharing during the holiday season. Anytime there's cooking and eat them, it's simple to make. So thank God for y'all watching us tonight, showing y'all how to make this little easy recipe tonight. All glory belongs to God. We thank God for things as well as it all. We thank God for all our garden families and all the different ones on our family pages. We thank you all for watching on us tonight. We ask you all to keep watching us and keep subscribing to us and keep liking us, our videos. Thank you for what you all done for us.